A brief video on the production possibilities curve. And at the end of the video, you'll get to know what it is, what is a production possibilities curve, what it looks like, the key concept, and we're going to touch on some of the key points on this graph. So, the definition of a production possibilities curve is over here. It's a graph showing the trade-off between the production of two items. The key concept is this trade-off. So, what does a production possibilities curve look like? It simply looks like this, and that is the trade-off between, let's take the example of agriculture, and we'll use oranges and lemons. If a farmer wants to produce oranges or lemons, and is currently producing, say, 500,000 bushels of each, if that farmer wanted to produce more lemons, they are going to have to necessarily give up some of the production of oranges because the resources that are producing some of the oranges are now being put into the production of lemons. Let's talk about points on the graph. And three concepts you should walk away with after this video. First is what it is to be efficient. Efficient means you are maximizing the output of your resources. In this case, the farmer is maximizing the output of the land, the labor, the capital, the tractors, physical capital tractors, and producing the maximum output. So if you are on the line, that is called efficient. You're maximizing output. If you are below the line, if you're in here somewhere, if you're producing, say, 500 oranges, but only 250,000 lemons, we would say that that person is inefficient. They're not maximizing their output. Here they were efficient, maximizing output. Below the curve, they are inefficient. To move the curve out into these points, we call that growth. That means you are increasing the output. So 3 points you should be aware of on the production possibilities curve. Any point that is below the curve, we call that inefficient. Or sometimes you'll hear the phrase underutilization. You're underutilizing the resources. So that means the same thing in terms of our production possibilities curve, inefficient or underutilization. If you are on the curve, that means you are being efficient. You are maximizing output. If you get out here, you're achieving growth.